I'd like to introduce you to the AccelTex Trellis Kit AP and antenna mounting solution that can offer more stability in mounting antennas. In this video, I'll briefly explain the parts and steps required for a successful setup. In this kit, you will have the required mounting hardware in bags A, B, and D, as well as an AP mount and an antenna arm for the AccelTex antennas. First step is to attach this antenna plate to the unit strut with mounting hardware from bag B. Second, line up the AccelTex antenna arm to the corresponding holes on the antenna plate and attach using the mounting hardware from bag A. Fasten down tightly to secure the arm in place. Third, install the AP mount to the unit strut with mounting hardware from bag D. Lastly, here is a final look on how a Cisco 6 dBi patch or AccelTex 8 dBi antenna should look once installed and mounted.